Here we come to the elevator at the Tree Ring building. This is a elevator that has Innovation Fixtures. It was installed in 2012. It has the newer chime. Let's go down to B. Oh, B is unlocked today.
And on this side of the building, you can get to it.
Yeah. Microwave beep. Capacity 4,500 pounds. Ooh, it's dark in here. Now it's light. The lights came on. Let's go up to 4 if we can. And here we go.
That was fast.
Yeah, really fast leveling. And somebody called it, I think. So let's go down to 1.
Let's go down to 1 rear, actually.
1 and 1R. Let's try both.
They don't open at the same time, but this will give us an opportunity to check out the back door.
Is there a cab view on the way down? Here we are on 1R. And here's our cab. Anyways, here it goes, and it's gonna go to the other side now. Somebody just went in the elevator, and here it goes. And that's it.